Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TD Ameritrade app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the TD Ameritrade app, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. In the search bar at the top, type TD Ameritrade. Press enter or tap the search icon to initiate the search. Look for the official TD Ameritrade app in the search results. Ensure that the app is published by TD Ameritrade. Tap on the app icon to view more details. Check the app's ratings and reviews to confirm its authenticity. Once you are ready, tap the download or install button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account credentials. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the TD Ameritrade app icon on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. You may need to agree to terms and conditions upon the first launch. If you have an existing TD Ameritrade account, enter your login credentials. If you are new to TD Ameritrade, look for an option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your account setup. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the app's main features. Explore the various tools available for trading, research, and account management. Make sure to enable notifications for important updates and alerts. Your TD Ameritrade app is now installed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.